Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Finding where height changes fastest on this amusement park ride graph is actually super simple if you look at the steepness of the curve. The rate of change of height is represented by the slope of the tangent line at any specific point on this graph. We need to find the steepest part here. Changing the fastest occurs where the absolute value of the slope is at its maximum. Look for the point where the curve is rising or falling most sharply right now. At point B, the curve is clearly at its steepest incline compared to the others. That makes option B our final winner for this problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps carefully.